to my channel. Before we get started, if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you stick around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Like the video. If you like it, leave me a nice comment down below. A nice comment down below. All that stuff really helps out my channel. On to the video. So we are back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. If you don't know, it's one of those subscription services. I think they have kind of set it up now where you can go online and you can kind of set up the frequency of what you want it to be delivered. Put in a fix because we're in the, well, I say the dead of winter. It's snowing here today, but I think it's supposed to be 75 degrees again this weekend. So while we're in the dead of winter now, it's going to be 75 degrees this weekend. But I'm going to Key West soon for the holiday season, and so I think I asked my stylist for some like fun Key West appropriate holiday outfits, I believe. Let's get into the box. Also, I'll have my affiliate link listed down below. Anybody can be an affiliate. I think if you click through my link, you get a little bit off and I get a little bit of a kickback. So win-win if you want to use it. If you don't, that's fine too. Made a shipping bag so you can ship back anything that you don't want from your style box. What do we have here? You get a little note from your stylist. So let's see. I believe there's 5 pieces and it is a little bit different now. I think you get like a preview. I don't ever check the preview. I just let them pick 5 pieces and send them to me. Katie is my stylist. Has she been my stylist before? Yes. Her little note just says, thanks for, I'm happy to be styling you again. A Key West holiday trip sounds like fun. And then she just kind of goes into detail about some of the things that she sent me. Fun little red piece, which I think can be fun for the holiday season. You see maybe some blue and some denim. Okay. And then what is this? Anna Sweet. Is this some jewelry? This is a little bracelet. Okay. I have kind of big wrists. I have a couple of bracelets on already. Ooh, this is cute. Oh boy. Okay, this is cute. Hold on, let me look at my receipt so we can see what's going on here. Louisa, waterproof bracelet. $75 for a bracelet? Oh, it's already getting tangled with my bracelets. Okay. Okay, that's really cute. I always like a good little stack. I have these 2 like permanent jewelry bracelets that I got. I've had them for a couple of years now, but this would look really cute with it. Skies Are Blue mixed media maxi dress. Ooh, this is festive. Okay, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. It's got these little like side ties. Listen, I like a good red. Can you also see it's got like this little detail at the bottom? It's kind of like a ribbed tank top material up top and then more of like a cotton poplin down at the bottom. Okay, she's cute. I like her. What else do we have here? Is this denim? Oh, is this a denim jacket? Okay, this is a little bit different. Let's see here. Just USA. A contemporary barn jacket. Oh, I didn't tell you. That mixed media maxi dress was $78. It's a little spendy. And then this barn jacket is also $78. A little spendy. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'll try it on. I'm not thrilled with it. What is this? Let's see here. Bobo? Ooh, I could be saying that wrong. Button up top, $52. Okay, this is cute. It has a little, does it have a sparkle in it? Yeah, it's got a little bit of a sparkle to it. Okay, she's cute. And then Studio Blue, navy, $78. What are these? Oh, wide leg pants. I'm not sure about these. We'll try them on. I'm not thrilled with this style of pant anymore, but we'll try it on. Okay, let's try all this stuff on and we'll come back and talk prices and all that good stuff. Okay, let's go over, side note, it's the next day. My hair is a little wild. I've been trying on clothes. let's go over Stitch Fix, what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to send back. So you get a buy 5 discount of 25%. So if you keep all 5 pieces with the 25% discount, your total is going to be $250.75. I'm not going to keep all 5 pieces because I don't like them. I don't need them. I think the only thing I am going to end up keeping is the Ana Luisa, let me get it right here, Arlo waterproof bangle bracelet at $75. That is a little pricey. But what is going on with my arm? I look like I have a rash there. That's kind of alarming. Okay. Yes, I am going to keep, it came in this cute little packaging here. I'm going to keep it. Like I said, I like jewelry that I can like put on and keep on, and being that it's waterproof, I feel like I can put it on and leave it on. It looks cute with my other 2 little bracelets here. So that's the only thing I'm going to keep. This dress, it is $78. I liked it. I just have other things that I like better for my little Key West trip. It is cute, and maybe later on I'll get it. I just don't need it right now. I have other things that I like better. This jacket, I feel like it was a little big. I don't know if I need like a petite size. It was a little bit big in the shoulders and through the arms. Again, I have jackets that I like better than that one. This was a cute little shirt. Wait, let me tell you how much the jacket was. Barn jacket. $78. This bow button-up top was $52. I do feel like things are a little spendy this go around. This top is cute. I'm just not sure if she's my style. She's a little corporate looking for my style. And then these pants, the Studio Blue, $78. They weren't really my style. I'm not really into the elastic waist pants anymore. They were comfortable, but not really my style. So unfortunately, I'm sending those 4 things back. I am going to keep the bracelet at $78. A little spendy, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.